When I had SPs back in the 90s, unfortunately, because of budgets and just never had the money, I always dreamed of having an XP. But greatly, I can share it now with my son.
Be careful. Have you got your specs on, Jeffrey? Now this one's going to be more of a handful for you, Jeffrey, okay?
What's wrong with this boot? Come on! You've got too many fumes.
There's a real big can this one, Jeffrey. Hold on tight.
Yeah, of course,
a
lot to take in, but it's like a flashback to the old days.
Come on, mate. That's it. Straight up on. That's it. That's it. Come on. Oh. Mate, that was it. Just give it a bit more gas. Don't work with JETSKI, mind. No, this is for the vlog. Come on, mate. You got this. I believe in you. You gotta steer straight, mate. Come on, mate. Yes! Yes! That was incredible, mate. That was incredible.
That was so good.
And you did the course.
You did amazing.
What do you think?
Yeah, of course,
a
lot to take in, but it's like a flashback to the old days.
What, the sound?
The sound, the feel of them, they're so
tippy.
Yeah, tippy, but responsive. You know, you just lean an inch to the left, it moves. Feel like a cork on the top of
you were going quick, mate. You weren't messing around. The hardest thing for you is just getting on, isn't it? Once you're on and you're up on the plane, I feel like your confidence was there then.
Yeah, I feel exhausted.
Do you?
Yeah.
What, from riding that or riding the XP?
100%. But yeah, no, it's.
Did you open it right up? Did you hit full?
A little bit, but that's for this afternoon. I'll chase Joe around on the Spark. I'll ride that and I'll chase Joe.
Can I just say as well, put in the comments, right? Give him a thumbs up because he was riding SPs before I was even born, right? And for to be able to get on that and ride it round like that with, you've never really been on like that specific XP, have you?
No, I could. When I had SPs back in the 90s, unfortunately, because of budgets and just never had the money, I always dreamed of having an XP. But greatly, I can share it now with my son to have one now. But
circle of life, guys.
Yeah,
that's what it's all about. Honestly, I'm so proud of you. I thought you wouldn't bother. I thought you'd go around once and say I've had enough, but to go around the course,
it must be terrifying to take that out somewhere like Exmouth or the Solent, where there's big waves. It would need a real good rider.
I think I would, but I know what you mean. If you fall off, you'd be worried about getting back on.
So
which of those corners was hard? All of them.
None of them.
None of them.
None of them.
Oh, that's good.
I thank my ease. I'll chuck it out there now.
He's just rinsing me.
I'll I'll race Joe round this afternoon on it, and he'll be on his Spark, and we'll see if I can get round following him in the chop, or he can follow me. But obviously, because I'm heavier, and I thought it'll take a while to get up on the plane. But once it was up there, I felt quite comfortable. I didn't feel like I was never going to fall off.
Does it feel, obviously it's a long time ago and you haven't been on the SP yet, but does it feel different to an SP, or can you not remember?
Yeah, so nimble and light. It's like riding an Airfix Corgi model around the lake. But yeah,
Show some
very
love in
good.
the comments.
Yeah.
That's awesome, mate, awesome. You smashed that.